Now at noon, jury deliberations move into a second day as Donald Trump awaits a verdict in his criminal hush money trial. Good afternoon. I'm Dominic Garcia. Thanks for joining us at noon. Let's go to CBS 13's Michael George outside the courthouse in New York City. And Michael, since we last spoke yesterday, how are jurors working to come to a decision in this case?
Well, Dominic, we and the entire nation are waiting, the jury deliberating right now. But earlier today, they came into the courtroom. They asked for some specific witness testimony to be read back. And as they were, many of the jurors were taking meticulous notes. Former President Donald Trump expressed his frustration as he returned to a Manhattan courtroom where a jury is deciding his fate.
Here we go again. We'll be here, it looks like a long time. Thank you.
The jury requested to rehear jury instructions and portions of testimony from David Pecker, the former publisher of the National Enquirer, and Michael Cohen, Trump's one-time fixer. That includes accounts of a meeting the two had with Trump in 2015 to discuss an alleged catch-and-kill scheme to bury scandals ahead of the 2016 presidential election.
Testimony of Michael Cohen and David Pecker, they're key witnesses in the case, and they want to make sure that they got it right.
The presumptive Republican presidential nominee is facing 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. Prosecutors say he tried to conceal a repayment to Cohen for hush money paid to adult film star Stormy Daniels. The former president denies any wrongdoing. The judge in the case, Judge Juan Merchan, is rereading some of his 55 pages of jury instructions because in New York State, the jury isn't allowed to take the instructions into the deliberation room.
It would be hard for anybody to remember elements of 55 pages and then put the facts sort of in there during their deliberations. I wonder if they will ask for yet another, because there are several different complicated elements here that one would hope they would get really specific on.
The jury is comprised of 7 men and 5 women, including 2 lawyers. To find Trump guilty, the jury would have to reach a unanimous decision. And if and when they reach that decision, we should know the result pretty quickly, maybe within an hour. But as for a possible sentencing, if found guilty, that could take potentially weeks, even months, because it's almost certain that the former president would appeal. Reporting live in Manhattan, Michael George. Dominic, back to you.
Michael, I got to ask you, earlier this week, we saw an interesting moment where actor Robert De Niro appeared on behalf of the Biden-Harris campaign, seemingly to criticize Trump. What about today? Have you seen any supporters or opponents show up?
Yeah, I'll tell you, throughout the trial, there have been dozens of protesters show up, many of them pro-Trump, some anti-Trump, but the majority certainly are Trump supporters. Things have gotten a little heated at times with some yelling, but no violent incidents, certainly a lot of tension there. They are in a penned-off area just outside the courthouse.
All right, glad to hear it's staying calm and peaceful. All right, thanks so much for the report. I'm sure we'll be talking to you soon. And regardless of how the jurors rule, new polls show it's not really going to change voters and how they decide, how they vote in the general election. According to a new Marist College poll, 67% of registered voters would not change their vote with a guilty verdict, and 76% said the same about a not guilty verdict.